welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing and giving you a demo of a face mask that I have been loving for the past 2 weeks. This is the Prolixer Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. This has been raved about a lot by the Instagram influencers, and that is why I got interested in this. I'll be very honest with you. This was sent to me by the brand for trying it out and see if I like it or not, and share my honest reviews with you guys. So I have been using this for the past 2 weeks and I really loved it. So I thought of sharing a review with you guys. So from the name of this mask, we can easily get that it is used to, detoxify and clarify your skin. And the key ingredient of this is sea algae. We'll talk about the ingredients later on. So first I'm going to talk about what I can see. So here is the packaging. It is a cardboard packaging. The name and the ingredients and every information is printed in this cardboard box. And we also have the social media handles of the brand here, the expiry date, batch number, manufacturing date, everything here. So as you open it up, you can see a mini brush here, which is given to you by the brand for applying the face mask. So it is a very tiny and very cute brush. And the bristles are really soft but really effective to scoop out the product and evenly apply to your skin. Next, here you have the main product. So this is the main product. It is a glass jar and it has metal screw in lid. This jar also has the name and the directions of use and ingredients listed here. It is also secured with another lid here, and there you can get the product. So the packaging is really nice. I love glass packaging like this. They are very classy, and also this packaging is really sturdy. So they have really taken care of the packaging here. The glass is very strong. It's not gonna easily break. Yeah, that's it. The color of the product is a very nice soothing pink, like a pastel pink color, and the texture of this product is not like any kind of clay. This is more a silicone texture, which is very unique texture. I haven't used anything like this before, so you have to try it out to see how the texture actually feels in real life. The formulation is quite runny, but not that it's gonna rip off your face. It's not very hard, unlike other clay masks which tend to dry out real soon. This is not gonna dry out very soon. That's quite like a sloppy texture, and it also helps in spreading out the mask very evenly onto your skin. The good thing about this product is it is suitable for all skin types. My skin has been very sensitive for the past few months, and this product doesn't irritate my skin at all. So this face mask has been designed to fight 5 types of skin problems, like skin concerns. First, it detoxifies your skin. So this product has a key ingredient called seaweed algae, which mainly detoxifies your skin and makes it free from any kind of toxicity or any kind of impurities. Second, it brightens up your skin. It has vitamin C, which you all know that is a magic ingredient and brightens up your skin really nicely. Third, it boosts radiance and also tightens pores. It has a special ingredient called diatomaceous earth, which is actually a silica based mineral clay, which helps in making your skin very radiant from inside, and also it tightens your pores. Next, it has charcoal that refines your skin. We all know that charcoal is a very nice ingredient to detoxify and pull out all the impurities from your face, your skin. Next, it has hyaluronic acid, which actually helps with the hydration part. Unlike any other mask, it doesn't at all dry your skin out. Rather, it moisturizes your skin after washing your face. Hyaluronic acid actually helps in retain the moisture inside your skin. So these are the 5 major skin benefits that this mask gives you. Apart from this all, it also helps in deep cleansing your face. It also improves the appearance of your skin. It improves your skin texture. It makes your skin soft and supple and all that good stuff. It also has tea tree oil and niacinamide in some quantity, which actually helps in prevent acne and prevent breakout and helps in fading out your acne marks or any kind of blemishes. The other good things about this face mask is it's cruelty free, it's paraben free, it has a pleasant fragrance which doesn't overpower. I'm not very fan of OTT fragrances which overpowers. I really don't like them, but this one is really soothing. It actually makes you feel like you are in a spa and you're having a very nice spa day. So now I'm going to tell you how to use this and show you the demo. So first you have to cleanse your face with any kind of micellar water, or you can just wash your face with a face wash. You can use a scrub, and it will be really nice if you can use a steamer before this. Now you have to just take out the brush and scoop out some amount of the mask and apply it evenly onto your skin. You have to leave it for 10 minutes until it semi-dries, and after 10 minutes you just wet your face and massage your skin in circular motions to remove the mask. So the effect it gives my skin is really nice. It brightens my skin up, it adds some kind of a glow, and my face actually looks very clean after using this mask. So I really love this mask, and I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. It doesn't cause any kind of irritation to any kind of skin. It's good for all kind of skin, so there is no risk in trying it out, which I really like. The overall feel I get after using this mask is really nice. Makes my skin very fresh, very hydrated, and also very clean from inside. So the product's website and their social media handles will be listed in the description box, also along with the price of this product, so don't forget to check out the description box. So that's about it. If you like this review and you find this helpful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to never miss an update anytime I post a new video. I will see you soon in my new video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.